She gets too hungry for dinner at 8. She loves the theater, doesn't come in here late. She'd never bother with someone she hates. That's why the lady is a tramp. Doesn't like dice games with barons and earls. Won't go to a party dressed up in ermine and pearls. Won't dish the dirt with the rest of those girls. That's why the lady, she's a tramp. She loves the warm, sweet wind in her hair, life without care. She's flat, that's that, doesn't like California. It's cold and it's damp. That's why the lady is a tramp. She gets much too hungry, babe. Hang around for dinner at 8. She adores the theater, however, never stays too late. She'd never bother, baby, with somebody she'd hate. That's why this lady is a tramp. She doesn't dig dice games, sharpies and frauds. Never makes a trip up to Harlem, pushing Lincoln's or Fords. Will not dish that dirt with the rest of those girls. That's why this chick, she's a tramp. She loves the wonderful, marvelous, cuckoo wind in her hair, life without care. She's broke, but it's oak. Hates California because it's cold and it's damp. That's why the lady